Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to install Docker on Windows 11. So first you have to simply go to a browser, and once you go to the browser, you have to search for Docker. And after that, you will get the result. From there, you have to go with this first one. Click onto this link, and after that you will get to the website of Docker container. After getting there, if you prefer, you can explore the website and get to know all about it. Otherwise, there's option for download. You have to go with this first one, which is AMD 64 for Windows. You can click onto it. If you have other system, then you can go with that. Otherwise, you can explore the website, and if you are okay with that, then simply download with this option. Click onto it. The downloading will start. Then after it, once the downloading done, then you have to install it. Once the downloading has been done, you have to open its exe file and it will start installing it. The installation will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Once it is done, then we will be able to use it. After that, it says close and restart. You have to click onto it and your system will go for a restart. Once you get back from the system restart, then the Docker desktop app will be there and now you can use it. So that's how you can install Docker in Windows 11. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.